welcome to Soup the Recipes. Today we're making the easiest garlic shrimp. Shrimp is probably the best ingredient for beginners because it cooks in just a few minutes and it absorbs flavor well. So you don't need to spend time to marinate it in advance. This dish literally takes 5 minutes to make, but it's incredibly flavorful and delicious. You will need 1 pound of peeled and deveined shrimp. Simply pat the shrimp dry using paper towels. Besides the shrimp, you will need 8 cloves of garlic. Make sure you dice them finely so the garlic bits can cling onto the shrimp. I also like to add some diced Thai bird-eye chilies, which is spicy because I love the kick. But if you can't handle spicy food, use red bell pepper. Half cup of diced cilantro. You can always switch around the aromatic. Sometimes I use scallions or parsley. It really depends on what you have in your kitchen. Preheat your wok over medium heat for 20 to 30 seconds. Add a drizzle of oil along with the red chilies and half of the garlic. Stir for a minute. Then toss in the shrimp and continue to cook over medium heat for a few minutes depending on the size of your shrimp. Some of you are probably wondering, why only add half of the garlic? The first half of the garlic will turn golden brown as the shrimp cooks. We will add the rest of the garlic at the end and do the final toss. This is called 金银蒜 in Chinese, which means golden and silver garlic. The deep fried and fresh garlic provide different aroma. Using both upgrades the dish. When the shrimp turns pink, the rest of the garlic and cilantro go in. I like to sneak in 1 tablespoon of butter, which is not really Chinese, but I can't help it. You know, butter, garlic, and shrimp, they always go perfect together. This dish is so fragrant that you don't need complicated seasonings, except some salt to taste, and maybe some black pepper if you want. And we're done! A quick, simple dish that highlights the natural sweetness of shrimp, and it is packed with the garlic aroma. It goes perfect with rice or on top of noodles. Before you go, please allow me to introduce my carbon steel wok. Many of you know that I have been using the same big carbon steel wok for like 6 years. But recently, I switched to a smaller 10-inch version and I absolutely fell in love with it. It's lightweight and easy to handle. I have been suffering from arthritis for like 15 years, so I was never able to toss the wok like a professional chef. But with this one, I can easily toss it with one hand and get the flaming wok-cake effect. Don't let the size fool you though. It's perfect for cooking 2 to 3 servings of food. If you are looking for a handy, versatile cookware that makes stir-fry a breeze, check the link in the description and grab a wok for your kitchen. Thank you for your support and I'll see you next time. Bye!